Hi, my name's Sue Grant from Berthon, and this is just a short introduction to a great walkthrough video of the Ocean Voyager 70 Tara four-wheel drive motor yacht in somewhere very sunny. I'm speaking to you from Berthon in the UK, -5, even the water is frozen. Please do watch on. She's a great yacht. Welcome to Freeport, Bahamas, and here is Tara, Ocean Voyager 70. Looking very smart, ready and commissioned. She has a scrimp hull construction with carbon stringers, alloy lid, perfect explorer yacht from Ocean Voyager, who brought us Pink Shrimp and Rogue. This boat is perfectly set up for two people to go far aboard, but she also has great interior volume to her accommodation. See that nice big step? We're just going to whistle around her. This video was taken in December 2025, so this is how she looks at the end of the year. Huge seating area. That's good for 10 to 12 people. And big wide aft deck. She's got a nautical crane, £1,100. Can be used for all sorts of things, as well as her rib, which is a high-field 12-foot aluminium bottom 20 horsepower Yamaha. Steps down to the very large swim step, access to the aft lazarette, which is absolutely vast, has dive compressor as well as dive bottles and systems. Good access up onto the flybridge, but we'll come and see that later. Wide side decks, no teak decks, very easy to keep. And then up onto this foredeck with solar array. That's 320 watts. And there's her Lumar windlass, inevitable Rocknor anchor. And then look back and you can see the flybridge, which has been remodelled 2025. Really good access up into this area, all non-slip, easy to keep. There is a new helm station and fixed bimini, which makes this a great place to be. The helm is composite, this helm position, and it's got controls for the bow thruster, engines, stabs, Simrad. And then here's more solar. There are 5 units here of 320 watts. One of the things about her is that, excluding aircon, she can run without generator and power most of her services, which makes her great if you're going to go offshore for some while. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to have a look down below. Okay, so here we are. Interior in antique white composite with African mahogany trim. Masses and masses of space. Big chart table, which is also interior helm. You can see you've got thruster and controls here. Second Simrad screen. She's got a pair of Volvo D3 150s, controls for them there. Sisal carpets throughout. And here is the upper seating area. Plenty of room for 6, and many more than 6 in this lower seating area opposite the galley. Dickinson stainless steel cooker with 3 burners. Air conditioning throughout, of course, Dometic and also Dometic refrigeration. Here you have a queen-sized double with its own heads and separated shower. So this is the VIP cabin. Very spacious. Beds are extremely generous. Lots of light flooding in. And to starboard, upper and lower berth cabin. Again, with its own heads and shower compartment. And forward of that is a very large Ford lazarette. There's a crash between the accommodation and it. 1.5 sinks, lovely stainless steel surfaces. What I love about Tara is that there are no big steep steps up and down. It's all very easy to get around her. And from 2021, she's looking very fresh. And then we'll go aft, and there's masses more accommodation here. So we've got an upper and lower berth cabin to starboard. All the cabins have really good storage and really wide and long berths. And then we'll just hop into the engine room. Really good sound deadening. Here are the Volvos. And she's got a 16 kilowatt Northern Lights just to my right. Full fire suppression. Good fuel control. And then that's shut, watertight door. Upper and lower berth cabin to port. Again with storage. That door is to a heads compartment that those 2 cabins share. Now we're going to just walk aft to the owner's stateroom. Here is the ensuite. Desk to starboard. Very large double berth, centre line. Masses and masses of storage. Very light and airy. Plenty of hatches. Of course, it's all air conditioned. Good headroom. Look at this, you could sit there and write a book. Very comfortable. And then we'll just hop back up into the upper saloon. Ocean Voyager 70 Tara.